Nice spot. Cool spot. We're on beautiful Lake Hamilton today. We're gonna do a little cranking, a little late season, early season, whatever you want to call it. It's November, a little colder than normal. We just had snow, and surface temperature is about 55 degrees. Got my good buddy Jimmy B with me, aka Shrek, aka Trout Magnet. We're gonna see what we can do today. Y'all stay tuned. Basically, it's all about an algorithm. And what's crazy is, I like posting videos off YouTube. Yo, you do? Pretty good. Good fish. Swing him in.
He may not be ready to come in.
Are you ready? Don't be a wuss. It's a good one. It's a good one. Been caught before.
Didn't even have a hook in my mouth.
Really?
Good fish.
It is. Pretty bad. No Lake Hamilton special right there. We'll take it.
It tore up.
Yeah. My turn there. Definitely help. It's all right, we gone this quick, this early. You know, right after that, we had a lot of help in the little work. There wasn't much line about where we was at. Then almost, you know. Go.
Yep.
Duck in.
It's a spotted bass.
Mr. Spot. Here, Mr. Spot. What up, Mr. Spot?
Now, that's choked.
We got the Shrek show going on today. Shrek ain't letting you get into that.
In the house.
The Shrek will be in the house. I think you need to go with Shrek. Because.
Oh, see,
Look at that.
now.
Look at that. Little spotted y'all.
Like
Little
that
spotted.
fish that just started loose.
He looks like the same one. This is a little skinnier. He hadn't had a shed here, too. Just sit around here, don't put me. I think just need to start just going by Shrek. The big bird, we're not sure what sex big bird is. I'm not convinced that's a male. That's a problem. I mean, I like women and all, but I don't know about. That seems a little gay. Anyway, see you finally on the pole. Thank you, Lord.
Now we got to go.
Oh, yeah. There's one. No, here we go. Just a fish. No. But it's a gargantuan trophy bass. Lake Hamilton special. Back one of the day, folks. too tough.
See what he just throwed out?
Mm-hmm.
What's that doing in there? Hey, that thing had his jaw pierced shut. That's a good spot. I'm digging. Pretty good. Look like Hamilton fatty.
Got me like that one fatty too. Here, folks. Right there. We'll talk about it. On the shinny. Look at the shinny bass. There we go. The shinny. Sounds good.
I don't understand. There's just a bunch of bugs.
That bite. Oh, it is.
I think he killed him.
I think I did. Took the nut tail.
He ain't moving.
He knocked the crap out of him. He ain't very big, but look, he is.
I think it's a trout.
He is a crap. Keep him. Gotta keep him.
Man, he was right up on the bank.
Everyone knocked the crap out of him, too.
On the bird there.
Yeah, I think where he got his down here. He knocked the fire out of him. Good after a while to not catch him in here, that's cool. Take them all, took a small, back them all. Not bad. Oh. Oh, look at that. I seen that.
Just to get a little floppy there.
Yeah, I figured I was gonna be stuck in my back before it's over with.
Why don't you take this off for me?
No,
Come on, Greg.
I got his in trouble.
He's cold, boy. Sorry about your eye fish. And your nostril. He's a giant. Need to put some out on it. I wouldn't blow it. Look at this. Look at this, son. He has choked it.
The bass is massive portion there.
Folks,
Can you hold that close up to the camera?
4-pounder.
Where'd he come from? He's on the bank, wasn't
There's again.
he? Yeah, right here. Probably. Nice.
We're going to the Ozarks. Better call your mama. It's not every day you're gonna get to go Ozark bass fishing with a lady.
Through there? Mm-hmm.
That's pretty good. Look at my old
Spot. Nice spot. Little spot.
I think you got a belly like yours.
No. Pretty, ain't it? Uh-oh.
What?
I thought he was going to try to hook me. There's no hook zone here. No hookers. No, we go. Not too bad. A nice dive, wasn't it? Good dive. You ate the crankbait too. Hey guys, let's talk fishing just a little bit. Nothing complicated here. We were basically just shallow cranking. We were using various different square bills. We threw the Nishini some. Caught fish on all of them. We were using mostly reds and shads. And basically just fishing 6 feet and shallower. Setup was pretty similar. What we've been doing. 14, 15 pound mono. 6.5 foot medium action rod. 6-to-1 reel. Really not cranking it real fast, not slow, just kind of a medium crank. Just running banks, basically. There was some brush, there was some rock. We were catching spots and largemouth. Just basically beating the banks, and caught quite a few fish. Like I say, we only got so many on the video, but there was several fish caught that day. We probably caught, I don't know, probably 25 or 30, something like that. Anyway, it was a fun day. I appreciate Jimmy carrying me, but we do have a bigger question. If you've heard some of my stuff and watched some of my videos, you can probably tell my fishing partner, Jimmy B, has got a couple of nicknames. It was even alluded to on this video. So anyway, I need your help to help me figure out a couple of things. Number one, which nickname do you think we ought to go with? We call him Shrek and we call him Big Bird. Shrek is obviously, he looks like Shrek, okay? That's why we call him Shrek. He has a rain suit that's yellow like Big Bird, so we started calling him Big Bird. So anyway, that's question number one. What do y'all think? Is it Shrek or is it Big Bird? I vote Shrek, but you know, like I said, whatever y'all say, we'll try to go with. Question number two is, when we started discussing Big Bird, is Big Bird a male or a female? This has been an argument that's been going on for months. So anyway, if anybody can shed some light on either one of these two questions, I would certainly appreciate it, and y'all can drop them in the comments below. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching my video. Y'all can follow me on Instagram. It's GregGullich_fishing adventures. I appreciate y'all watching. Catch y'all next time. Thanks.